In this video, we'll talk about how to use the negative form of have and has questions using don't or doesn't. Hi, and welcome to our channel. I'm Marc Santamaria. I'm a US English teacher and immigration lawyer. To help us understand how to use don't or doesn't in sentences, let's talk with Reina.
Do you have any cat food today?
No, I don't. Sorry. You must be hungry. How about Chris? Does he have any cat food?
No, he doesn't either.
Oh, sorry. Let's go to the store to get some cat food, okay?
Meow. I want to eat a pizza for cats.
Okay. In this conversation, I said, no, I don't. And Reina said, no, he doesn't. Let's look at the rules for using don't and doesn't, and please say them after me. I don't have. And remember, don't is a contraction for do not. Your turn. He doesn't have. Your turn. She doesn't have. Your turn. It doesn't have. Your turn. You don't have. Your turn. We don't have. Your turn. They don't have. Your turn. Nice work. Let's practice using the following pictures. They have milk. Right. They don't have milk. They have orange juice. She have money. Right. She doesn't have money. Reina,
Meow.
wanna give her some money?
No.
It have a heart. Right. It doesn't have a heart. Sorry, Mr. Robot. I hope you find a heart. We have a basketball. Right. We don't have a basketball. Can you get us a basketball?
No.
Please?
Meow.
Thanks. Please sign up for our email list so you can get free English worksheets. Please also subscribe to our channel, like this video, and write a comment below. Thanks for watching. God bless.